Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I think I just got a package. And if I did, then today we are going to be doing a mod to both cars. Not just one, but both. Oh, yeah, there it is. Fell. First class mail. Just got this package from Inshane Designs. If you guys haven't seen that channel, then you need to go check out Street Speed 717 on YouTube and tell them Common Ground Automotive sent you. Tell them that, okay?
Tell them that, okay.
And but yeah, today we're gonna be installing this on both vehicles. Thank you, Lou. If you guys can guess what it is, what we're gonna be doing, go ahead and leave it in the comments below, and I'll pin whoever's comment gets it right. If you get it right, maybe you won't get it right. You probably won't. I don't think you will. Don't even comment. Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it.
But before we get started, I want to have both my cars home. Right now, I only have one car home. As you can see, it's the only car I have home right now. So we're gonna play the waiting game until my fiance gets home with our other car. So go ahead and stay tuned, guys. And let's go ahead and get to the waiting game. Yeah, guys, let's do this. I sent like 85 rounds in his head. Freaking cheating, dude. Over here. Oh, what? No, bull. Yeah, look at that, second place. Boy. She's home, guys. She's home. Yes, we can do it. Come on. Good girl. Finally, car's home. Not worried about the girlfriend. Not worried about her. Just glad the car's home and it's safe. Now we can go ahead and get to our mod. The mod that we're gonna do to the car. So, let me get the keys. Give me the keys.
There's no keys for you.
Give me the keys.
Give me a kiss.
No.
Give me a kiss.
Give me the keys.
You want a kiss?
Give me the
Okay,
keys.
you give me a
Give me the
kiss.
keys to my girl.
Will you give me a kiss?
I might have to take one for the team, guys.
Come on. Come on.
Let's get to it. Alright, guys. Got both cars home. Both sets of keys. Again, leave in the comments below if you can guess what it is. Especially if you're familiar with the whole Street Speed 717 channel. Or Inshane Designs. Let me know if you can guess what it is by how small the package is. And you should be able to guess what it is. Maybe, maybe not. We got both cars, both sets of keys. So now we're gonna go ahead and get started on installing the mods. Ready? Alright guys, we're in the back of my Tahoe right now. This is where we're gonna be doing the mod. Not to the back of the Tahoe. We just need space. It's a small package, but we need a lot of space right now, like a lot. So here we got this. Let me get the right here. All right, guys. So let's go ahead and get started doing this. I'm super excited right now. I've been wanting to do this for a while. I just keep procrastinating because it takes time to do. So you guys go ahead and stay tuned. I'll try to make it as fast as possible. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my video, guys, and share it with everybody. Share it with your friends. Share it with strangers. Go to the random coffee shop and just show everybody there. Share my video, okay? All right, I'm going to go ahead and open this. Can't wait. again, what do you guys think it is? It's smells amazing. Alright, are you guys ready? Are you guys as ready as I am? If you're ready, comment down below and say you're ready. Boom, look at that. Got the blue line and I got the gray and black key tags. It's amazing. What do you guys think? If you like them, go ahead and give me a like on this video. And let's get to it, guys. So, which one do you think is for which vehicle? We got the Tahoe on the right. Boom. Got the Infiniti on the left. Tahoe is green and black, and Infiniti is blue and black. Which one? Tahoe, Infiniti. Ready? Are you ready for it? Were you right? Key fob and a key tag. Sweet. To install this, you're gonna need to clean up your workspace, and you will need to find a ring. Like, which ring do you want it on? So you need to be like strategic about this, okay? Because if you put it on this side, then when you take your house keys off, then it's on this side. But if you don't want it on that side, if you want it to stand with the truck key fob, you put it on this side. So I don't know which one. I might need to think about this. Same thing with the Infiniti. Take the house keys off the Infiniti. You got the Infiniti keys by yourself. What would you guys do? Perfect, got it. Alright, so we're gonna put the key tag with the truck. That way it's always with the truck. Even though it might be smarter to put it with the house keys. Boom. It also matters, like, do you want it rubbing on your leg whenever you're driving? If so, put it down here. Yeah, I don't like it there. I do not like it there at all. So we shall fix that somehow. I don't know. I don't know how to fix it. Can't get it off. Boom. Alright, so we're gonna put it with the house keys. And to do that, we're just gonna unscrew this little thingy, my jig. Put it in there, tighten it back up. Boom. Now look at that, guys. I like that. It's really nice. Very good quality. So, yeah, it's really good quality. It looks like, guys. It's all sewn together really well. Feels good. Yeah. If you guys want a key tag like this, go to InshaneDesigns.com and get yourself one. It's not sponsored or nothing. I just really like key tags like this. I've been wanting one. I just haven't. It's only 10 bucks on InshaneDesigns.com. I got one for each car. Got this one for the Infiniti. So, on the Infiniti, we will go ahead and put it down here. Here, we'll put it right here with this. Boom. Sorry, guys. Boom. There you go. Yeah, one for each vehicle. So yeah, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the video if you enjoyed it. I know it wasn't a crazy mod or nothing, but I just had this funny idea I figured I'd go ahead and make a video on it and show you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Like I say, go check out Street Speed 717 on YouTube. He's one of the YouTubers I like to watch. And right now he's doing a giveaway, or well, the giveaway already ended. But when you buy one of these, you get entered to win a new car. They do a giveaway, like pretty much one after another. They do giveaways. It's pretty cool. So yeah, guys, go check it out. Go check out Inshane Designs. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day. And yeah, see you next time. One more thing, guys, before I end the video, we're going to go ahead and give my fiance her car keys and see what she thinks about her new key tag. Mi amor! Say hi to YouTube.
Hi.
There you go. What do you think?
I actually like it. It's easier to carry it. And it's actually a lot bigger than what I expected it to be, though.
Yeah, that's what she said.
Seriously?
That's it for the video, guys. Thank you. Like and subscribe, and I will see you later.